Come on now, what we doing? It's a new week. Get up off your lazy ass and turn up, baby. Turn up. Ain't no complaining. We don't want to know nothing about your back hurt. We don't want to know nothing about your feet hurt. Nobody care about that. You got responsibilities, and the responsibilities come first. So if your back hurt, keep it to yourself. Don't go tell your boss, oh, boss, I was so tired. We went so hard. Nobody want to hear that. That boss don't want to hear that shit. He want to hear you say, God damn, let's turn up. Let's do another hour. See? That's how you let your boss know you done hit your ceiling. When you say, oh, I can't do no more. Shit. I'm out here. What you want to do? Shit. Your boss could give me some of that money. Come on. I'm up. What you want? Want Rose to take that shit around the world?
Guys, we're going to have lunch right now. Uh-oh, where's my mask? Kind of forgot my mask. My mask is right here.
Vlog? Do you use your iPad to vlog or your camera?
I usually use my camera, but I don't have here. So I can just use this. But I'm going. We're gonna eat. It's a cafe. I hope they have enough food here because I'm really hungry. What is that? The weather it's quite good there. This is too hot. Alright guys, we're about to go inside there and it's really damn cold. Yeah. Let's go! As if I don't come back, just know that I'm here. Oh, it's not that cold.
여기는 건강 테라피실이에요. 건강 테라피실. 그래서 여기서는 이제 몸을 아픈 몸을 치유해주고 이렇게 키웠다 가는 곳이에요. 그래서 여기는 박쥐들이 가끔 많이 출연해요. 이 밑으로 해발 911m까지 내려가서 작업을 할 때 거기서 캔 광물을 끌어올리는 기계입니다. 그래서 여기 1.5kg 정도 같습니다. 그러니까 이 쇠줄이 1.5kg가 여기 감겨 있는 거예요. 네. 그러니까 이게
That's scary, guys.
Guys, why don't you feel?
천장이에요, 천장. 통에 있어요. 통에서 저 위로. 그래서 여기도 스모킹. 담배를 피우면 담배 연기가 다 빠져나가요.
Nice. Oh. What? What just happened? Fine.
예쁜 사람이 오면 이러면 반갑게 맞이해 주는 거예요.
Here, use my phone.
Okay.
Taking selfies this way. You scared? You should. How are you?
I'm doing amazing.
What is this? I don't think you guys are getting anywhere. Go, Nika! It's ready. We gotta win! We gotta win! How are you doing there?
I'm doing amazing. Look at this. It's like I was born to do this.
I don't think so, man.
How many times did you crash? What? Just what? Whoa, you gotta throw it.
You guys know wasabi? This is wasabi right here. Wasabi. Look at this. Look at this. All of this is wasabi. Look at this. This is wasabi. No wasabi. This is wasabi right here. The wasabi used on, you know, seafood and everything. This is it. Right here. Right here. In the cave, guys. In the cave. Today is gonna be a beautiful day here with the team right there. Look at that. It's gonna be a beautiful day today. Let's get this. SwahiliNation representing wherever we go. Wherever we go. Got this Haraboji right here. What's up, Haraboji? So one of my scripts that I'm working on is that they say a skilled fighter can dominate an opponent, but a true master, that's me, knows how to make an opponent withdraw without any damage. The question is, what kind of fighter are you, Nika?
We'll find out.
Alright guys, we're here today filming with Fun Day Korea. You know, tell them your name.
I'm Nika.
That's my name.
No, that's my name.
That's my name.
It's my name.
Oh, it's mine. It's mine. Why are you taking my name?
Nika.
Nika. Guys, it's Nika and Mika. Oh my goodness, perfect. I'm excited for today. Yeah. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. This. Nika, can you do that?
Of course, that's just a daily lunch.
Wow. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Yeah, it's like a dance. Think about it. Such a very beautiful place right here. Guys, if you've never been to Chunju, please come here, man. Look at this. And you see this puniki right here? Heaven on earth, man. If you don't believe in God, this is one reason. I'm giving you this one reason. This is the proof that God exists. Look at this. Look at this place, guys. Look at this place. Oh, my Lord. Okay. Alright guys, we're right here right now. One thing about this place is damn cold, guys. It's cold. It's winter in this cave right here. So we cannot enter inside because it's really very cold inside.
How are you doing there?
I'm doing amazing. Look at this. It's like I was born to do this.
I don't think so, man.
How are you doing there?
I'm doing amazing. Look at this. It's like I was born to do this.
I don't think so, man.
How many times did you crash? We gotta win! Go, Nika! We gotta win! We gotta win!
No, okay.